So do you own a coffee shop? Have you ever wanted to have your own beautiful business app? An app where you could easily let customers know about special offers or entice customers through your door with discount coupons. Why not reward your loyal customers with an amazing in-app loyalty card, encouraging them to keep coming back? But the problem is, you simply have no idea where to even start. Well, your life is about to get a whole lot easier. Just think, with your own app, you can easily show off your beautiful and delicious menu, update it and change it at any time. Have a daily special on that you want customers to know about? Well, with a few simple clicks, you can let your customers know about it with a stunning push notification message sent directly to their phone. With your own incredible app, it has now never been easier to get customers through your door. Your app comes all fully branded with your own custom logo. Trust me, your customers will love you for this. So what are you waiting for? Let everyone know that you're here today. Stop wasting time doing things the hard way and let us do the work for you. Find out how you can get started today.